So we're making a yum-shalicious rhubarb cherry crumble today with fresh rhubarb and canned cherries. P.S. There's no shame in using canned cherries in this yum-shalicious recipe because it's all about the fresh rhubarb. And I had to transplant my rhubarb plant this year, so it's a little bit smaller than what it normally was, but it's got the bright red stalks, which means that they're sweeter, they're ready to go, they're ready to go into a yummy crumble dessert. And let's get that red energy ready to get into our bodies. And I was looking up the reasons to eat rhubarb and found out that it's really good source of fiber, which means that it's good for your digestive system and your bones. And because it's got the red energy color in it, it keeps your blood healthy. And I found out that in Chinese medicine that it's a native plant of Chinese, and they would use it for healthy digestion, and it's also a vegetable. It's not a fruit. So let's go ahead and make this fantastic red vegetable into a crumble. And you can see that I'm putting the dry ingredients together to get ready to put on top of my lovely cherries, my lovely fresh rhubarb. And we're going to mix that all together, and we're going to make a little thickener sauce with the cornstarch and the water and sugar. And so once that gets thickened up and turns kind of clear and a little bit opaque, heat that up and it gets thicker, then you just add the cherry rhubarb mixture in there all together, and you put that into your pan first and put the crumble on top. And another reason to eat fresh rhubarb is if you're a person who's sensitive to energies, especially other people's energies, and you become easily overwhelmed and easily exhausted. Rhubarb is really good for grounding and helping you to feel not so exhausted. You're getting that energy right into your bloodstream, and you can serve it up with some yummy vanilla ice cream and serve it to your family and friends, and they just eat it up and it's all gone, and you will love eating this amazing recipe. So go get you some rhubarb.